Hello, welcome to session 2 of Working with Azure DevOps Repo. In the last session, we saw how to create a project in your local using the CMD, that is the command line. And we have initialized a Git repository in the last session. And now what we want to do is we want to push all these changes in Azure Git repository. But before that, we need to ensure if we have a project in place and if we have an empty Azure Git repository in place. So we are here in dev.azure.com in Azure DevOps portal where we create end-to-end pipelines, push our code and do everything that we want, which is related to automation support and like monitoring of applications. So now we want to create a new project in order to push our code into Azure Git repo. Let us create new project. We can do it in an existing project as well, but let us start from creating a new project itself. So let's say repos demo. Then it can be private or public. In advance, whatever work item process you want, I'll select as agile and I'll click on create. Okay, now that we have our new project in place, let us go to the repos and clone to your computer. Let us copy this one, clone in Visual Studio Code. We can do that. Wait, I either do this or push an existing repository from command line. So let us try this one. Since we have command line open and we already have an existing repository in our local, let us copy this one, go to the command line. Okay, let me copy one more time and let us paste it, hit on enter. So it will push all the changes that we made in our local that we want to have in our Git repo. Changes that are in your local are is this web application, the solution file, and the git ignore file. Now they should be in Azure DevOps repository. So here we are in the master branch. We have Hello World app, git ignore, and Hello World app.solution exactly as it was in our local. And now what we are going to do, we are going to set up the continuous integration and continuous deployment for this particular application in Azure DevOps. So we have to go to the pipeline section and proceed to build our CI pipeline, which is a continuous integration pipeline, which we'll see in our next video.